Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can track your expenses in a year, and at the end of the year you can see whether you are positive in your bank or you are negative in your bank account. So here I have written some of the expenses, and here you can, instead of writing track expenses, you can write description. So usually what happens is that in a month we have Netflix subscriptions, cell phone bill, electricity, food. So I assume that in Netflix subscription I pay $15, and then in the cell phone bill I pay $50, electricity I pay $25, food, let's say it's $700, for internet it is $75, for entertainment it is let's say $200. I mean, you can go to a movie or you can travel. And for house rent, let's say it is $1,000. So now for monthly, if we would like to get monthly expense, we have to add all of them. So how you can do that? Well, to do so you always start with a equal, and then you just give this range. Okay, but how? Because you want to sum them up, so you can do it in two different ways. One is just take everything one after another. Other than that, you can use this option. So here it comes directly. Just choose this option and enter. So 2065 is your monthly expense, and to see what is your yearly expense, you have to just multiply this number by 12. Also, you can go in a different way. I'm showing you in that different way so that you can learn. So in a year we have 12 months. So to get how much we spend on Netflix subscription, we have to multiply this number with 12. So we start with the first one, 15 into 12, and then this is 180. And for the second one, again this one into 12. Okay, and then so instead of 15 we can actually give this one B2. So 15 is on B2, and also it's the same number. And for this one, B3 into 12. For this one, B4 into 12. For the next one, B5 into 12. And the next one, B6 into 12. And this one, this number into 12. So you are getting yearly expenses. This one, this number into 12. So now you've gotten yearly expenses for each one. This calculation you can do in a different way as well. I'm showing you that one as well. So you just delete this, you start here, equal this one, multiply by 12 for a year, and then to apply the same for the rest of the cells, what you do is you drag this corner until here, and you see the calculation we did manually a little while ago is the same as now. So for the yearly expenses throughout the year, what we do is, so to get the total expense for the year, we have to add all of this number, because each of them is for a year. So if I sum up all of them number together, I use the C2 to C9, and if I enter, this is the number that I spend throughout the year. So let's say now the income, let's say per year income is 30 30,000. That means how much I have left with in the end of the year at hand. Okay, at hand I can say equals to, so this number minus this number, so this is my income, this is my expense, so income 30,000 minus, and that is in B13. Okay, minus, this is the yearly expense or total expense, so this is C12. Just press here C12, and then you will have 5,220 in your bank account at the end of the year. But also, let's say your income is 24,000. Now we see there is a minus 780. So this is basically you have to pay back to your bank at certain point in time, and if you have to pay interest as well, so this number will be even higher. Now this calculation is good because if you'd like that you never want to go in your negative, so you can calculate it earlier and then you can adjust the number here to stay always within the positive amount. So what I do is that maybe entertainment is not that much necessary for you, so you can cut it down. Let's say you just to see what is happening, you just write 0 here and see now you have more surpluses here. So here it was 200, you had 780 minus at the end of the year, but when you just make this one 0, now you have surpluses 1620, because this 200 was multiplied by 12, it was actually 2400. So you had negative of 780, so 2400 minus 780, that's the number. Now you're positive. So when you have this kind of arrangement in your Google Sheet, it's easy for you to see them. And if you'd like to have some kind of styling here, what you can do is just go here in the explore button and directly choose some kind of styling, and see now it looks really crispy. So this is how you can work, and you can track your expenses throughout the month. So this is the most easiest, but there could be that some other expenses that you would like to track, so I'll be explaining it in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.